Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So basically we're using Wix in 2026 to actually build a website, but you are going through a problem which is a long page. Add a back to top button in seconds. So basically you can, instead of scrolling all the way, you can easily go to that page. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you all of them steps needed so we can achieve this button or this feature fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first thing first, make sure you open your device, are fully connected to the internet and every other detail. And we're gonna go and look for Wix.com in the search bar. As for now, go through the website, make sure you use your email address and password to actually log into your account. It will show you this dashboard or this home button. They're gonna ask you to do some setups, connect a custom domain, but we're gonna skip this for now. We're gonna go now for site and mobile app, look for website here, then tap on design site. So this will take you to another new window where you can basically change the design, change the features, and every other detail. Okay, we're gonna wait again for now. Wix website editor. Okay, preparing your site, it's fine. Okay, as for now, as you see guys, we have this add element button. We're gonna tap on this. As you see, we have many other options, including the embed code, social, payments, my designs. Okay, so let's go and tap on this button area. So we have the theme button, text and icon buttons, icon button, image buttons, document buttons, iTunes, payment, and every other detail. So for example, let's go. Okay, let's go and tap on this one. Where is the home one? Icon button. Okay, for example, we're gonna go and drag this one. Okay, where we should put this one? Okay, for example, let's push it here. It's a bad spot, but it's fine. Okay, we have many other settings, animations and effects. You can change it, fade, turn. Okay, let's pick this one, design, layout. Then we have these settings. Choose what display, icon only, text only, accessible name. Then you can also choose a link. Tap on this one, choose a page. We're gonna basically choose the home page or basically choose whichever page you want. Okay, let's go for menu for example, then tap on done. And let's go and basically all you're gonna do is save, then publish. You can also tap on preview so you can see the full website. You can tap on this. As you see, it will take you to the menu directly. Since I put it on menu, you can go through home from here if you want to. You can also change every other detail later. It's totally fine. And that's basically it. So, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.